We've got some celebrating in the forecast ahead of us, but what does that weather look like? Jessica's back with a full look at your forecast. Cooperating, yay, nay?
You know, it would have been nice if St. Patrick's Day was yesterday.
Yes, it would have.
Like sunny, mid-70s would have been everybody's choice. The forecast doesn't look as nice for Monday, but it could be worse. It's March. It could always be worse. We're going to keep that in mind. We are going to continue with some very active weather. So we do have that weather impact alert that's going to continue tonight into at least the first part of Sunday. We're going to have periodic rain. Some heavier downpours will be possible. We could have some thunder in there, some lightning, and some gusty winds will still be possible as well. So heading into tomorrow, kind of similar to today, you might need to adjust those outdoor plans. Keep an eye on the skies and the radar if you do have plans to be outside. Wind is going to be our primary concern with any of this tonight and into tomorrow. We have wind advisories that are going to be in place for the entire area through tomorrow morning. We are going to see those potential for some gusts up to 50 miles per hour tonight and through early Wednesday. Sunday rather. So as the wind comes in, we're going to continue to stay breezy through tonight. It's going to pick up a little bit after midnight. Our wind was from the south all day, yesterday and today. So it gave us those nice above average temperatures. Even today we hit 71 at Hopkins, even with the cloud cover, which helped us with severe weather potential, helped keep things a little more quiet through the afternoon. We still have that southerly breeze tomorrow morning. Again, we could have those gusts over 40, close to 50 miles per hour at times, especially through the morning hours tomorrow. And then as we get towards about lunchtime onward, our front moves through. So we're going to see a shift in our winds. It's not going to be quite as gusty, but that wind direction is going to change. It's going to come more from the west by later in the day. It's not going to be as strong, but that westerly wind is going to mean a big change in our temperatures. You can see we are on the warm side of things for right now. We've got some very cold air back on the other side of Chicago, so some colder conditions. That's what we have to look forward to heading into with St. Patrick's Day, unfortunately. That change from warm to cold has been a big one across the country, and it has come with this big system the past couple of days. Here's a look at just the past 24 hours storm reports, hundreds of them across the country, and dozens of tornado reports as well for areas of Missouri, Arkansas, up into Illinois, Indiana, more across portions of Mississippi, Alabama. These storms are working on winding down in terms of their intensity and coverage as well. As they move off to the east, they're losing daylight, losing steam a little bit. We still have tornado watches in place through Georgia and into the Florida Panhandle, and still some severe thunderstorm warnings at this point, but not nearly as bad as what we had earlier this evening or earlier this afternoon when things were a lot more active. We still have flood watches and warnings for areas north of that severe potential because we got a lot of moisture. This is tapping into a lot of moisture from the Gulf and really transporting that north. So for us, that severe weather is going to stay to the south, but we're going to watch more rain moving in as we go through the overnight. A good round of rain is off to our southwest, and that's going to continue to fill in as we go through the overnight hours. Some pockets of heavier rain certainly going to be possible. For right now, just a good light to moderate rain falling for most areas. Heaviest rain really kind of falling along that I-71 corridor right now between Cleveland and heading out towards the Columbus area. But we are going to see that rain continuing to increase. National Design hour-by-hour forecast going to show plenty of steady rain through the overnight. Some pockets of heavier rain will be possible. Our temperatures are going to stay pretty steady through tonight. Again, those winds will be strong from the south. We could have some gusts over 40 miles per hour at times tonight and into tomorrow morning as well. Still some showers, some rumbles of thunder going to be possible to start things off on Sunday. Our temperatures are going to peak during the morning to lunchtime time frame, likely in the 60s. From there, that cold front is going to move in, so our winds will start to shift. That means our temperatures are going to be dropping. We still have the chance for showers, maybe a brief rumble of thunder, but more likely some heavier downpours through the latter part of the day because our temperatures will be falling. We're already into the 50s by the evening hours, and then we're going to continue to drop back into the 30s overnight heading into St. Patrick's Day. That means a very different forecast for St. Patrick's Day. Our skies will be improving. Our temperatures are really going to struggle as we go through the day. Union Home Mortgage extended forecast. We got that weather impact alert for tonight and into tomorrow. St. Patrick's Day, I think we'll try for highs in the 40s, increasing sunshine through the day. We've got more ups and downs in that forecast for the middle part of the week as we head towards the official start of spring early Thursday morning.